All right, fill in the missing numbers in each skip counting pattern. So as you look at these patterns, you got to say to yourself, okay, what do I see? So if I look in these, oh, look, there's a 7 in each one of these. So based on the pattern that I see, I think I can say that every number is going to end in 7. So I'm going to go through and put 7s on there. Okay, so now I have to ask myself, what's happening in the tens place? 0, 1, 2, 8, 9. It appears that it's just counting by 1, so I'm going to do that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that filled it all in. All right, let's look at the next one. What do I notice? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I see an 8. Every number is ending in 8. Well, I would imagine that every number out here is also ending in 8. So I'm going to go ahead and do that before I look deeper to see what's happening. Okay, well this time the 10s aren't going up by 1 because it's 0, 1. No, that's not happening. It's 2 and then 4. This one's 10, 16, 18. I think it must be counting by 2s because it's going up so fast. So let's see. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That worked out. All right. Last patterns one. As I look through, you can see right off the bat, it is ending in 4s. So I am going to go ahead and put just a 4 at the end of every number. Okay, so now, is it counting by 1s? This is a 0 here, right? 0, 1, no. It's not counting by 2s because next one is 3. 3 to 6 is 3. 12 to 15 is 3. 24 to 27 is 3. So it's going up by 3 in the tens and hundreds eventually place. So we've got 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 24, 27, 28, 29, 30. Nice. All right, so we have some 2-digit plus 2-digit addition. You can use your favorite strategy, but might I point out that we're not adding any 1s, we're only adding 10s, right? So that makes it pretty easy because all the 1s will stay the same, right? There's 7 up here, there's going to be 7 down here, 8 up here, 8 up down here, 3, 6, just like up here on this pattern. Interesting. 9, 3, 8. And I want you to notice how carefully they've stacked these numbers, right? 1s in the 1's bedroom, 10s in the 10's bedroom. All right. So now let's go through and do all the 10s. 8, 4, 5 plus 3, 8, 7 plus 3, 10, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 2, 7. Those are pretty quick. All right, find each sum. So again, we're just adding up. So you can do it any way you want to. You can use break apart. You can use, you can stack the numbers like they're in their house. You could draw pictures. You can do whatever you want. I noticed that this one's just adding 2 10s. So I'll keep the 7 the same and then add 2 10s, 60, 70, 80. 30. Ooh, this is a little tougher because it is adding 1s up, but I'm going to break it apart. 30 plus 10 and 8 plus 6. Well, 30 plus 10 is 40 and 8 plus 6 is 14. So now I have to put the 10 up with the 10s and make it a 50 and 4. 54. This one is sideways. Let's draw some pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3. And then we have 30 and 8. Well, let's see. We have 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 1s cannot live in the 1's apartment. Only 1 can stay. We have to put the other one over here. That is 9. 91. All right, 76 and 35. Maybe it's time that you line them up as numbers instead of pictures. And so I'm going to put this imaginary wall in. You do not have to do that, but I just put it in there so you remember. Let's look in the one's apartment or one's bedroom first. 5 plus 6. Well, 5 plus 5 would be 10, and one more would be 11. 11 ones cannot live in the apartment. The 10 is magnetized together and goes into the 10's bedroom, and then 1 that is left over is down there. All right, so now let's count up. We have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, 11T is not a number. It can't live in the 10s. We're going to leave 1 behind and put 1 up into the hundreds column where there are no other hundreds. So 1 plus 0 is just 1. Oh, 111. That's the answer. That's fun. All right, and these last two are just simply adding 10s. So we're at 257. And we just want to add 6 10s. So I'm going to write 6 10 sticks here. I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 50, 67, 77, 87, 97, 107, which would be 307, right? Because we need one more 100. 307, 317. Ooh, 668 plus 70. Well, let's do it in the apartment style, right? I'll draw those lines in, but you don't have to. It gets too crowded. All right, 8 plus 0? Easy, 8. 6 plus 7? Well, 6 plus 6 is 12. One more would be 13. There's no number 13T. So I know that it has to be split up into 100 and 3 10s, 30. That makes more sense. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. 738. So remember, you can solve these any way you want to. You can draw pictures, you can break apart, you can use the algorithm, you can do whatever you need to do to solve them, but those are just some ways to do it.